Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Guys, you know what? I'm just thinking. Just let me know what you think around this thing. Afisokuthle Ntuli accused number 5. There's something there. I want to accuse number 5, guys. I think they're going to delete him. They definitely going to unalive the guy. So like I've said it on the video before this one, you know what? Oh, angithi nje baphezu kwa something, because you remember ukuthi uFisokhuhle was implicated now on Malanga. His name came out again on ad hoc. Ubheki Cele wamenshina lapho ne as the biggest nkabilizer that has ever lived. And I'm thinking ukuthi that came from what? Lento leyo ukuthi ufika boshwa aphinde akhishwele ngaphandle ukuthi to unalive people some more. And mina ngifeel ukuthi ama-politicians and other people, high-ranking people have used him. This is how Kininda actually was like, okay, you will be our person. Sivizovele sithole another 4 and sibahlanganise and be like, no, we're together. He's huge. Ufisokhuhle uyaziwa, guys. I'm just like, is there anything like that, smart guys? Waziwa ngento so well known for being a big nkabilizer. The fact that he got bail is actually gotten bails quite a few times. He will come out and then he will do the same thing and then go back. I'm just like, what's going on? And I did mention ukuthi bafike babakhiphi, and the person actually in jail can say go and unalive a certain person but as a jail and do everything while in jail. There was actually another guy who do heists, right? He actually can tell people inside jail ukuthi lalela manje go sendaweni ukuthi abe remote control elapho and control people and tell them ukuthi do this in a remote place like a jail. Like, I'm just like, wow. So Ufisokhuhle Ntuli is the same guy. And I think sebemfuna ihambile at this time. Abasafune lutho. Lezi wawubona the correctional services people are actually now assaulting him, doing stuff, all of a sudden out of the blue. Because someone gave a call on that. It was just like, ngicela nibe busy nalo until azahambi. There's something there. Oket Matlal, Oket Mulif, they're involved somewhere there. It's gonna come out, I promise you. Mark my words. There's something there. I'm still trying to figure it out. But there's something going on there. There Ufisokhuhle Ntuli from Norway manje sekayahlutshwa senziwa izinto. After Madlanga, he came out there and then he came out to Ubheki Cele, was just like, njengosibani bani bayaphuma emajele and do the same crime and then go back again. I was just like, Ufisokhuhle Ntuli, guys, uzuyaziwa. The people know him. 6 life sentences. I'm just like, wow. Although in this case yasenzo Meyiwa all umshololo is doing uyidlela nje imali yase legal aid, besides the fact that uKininda vele wam-eda and the fact that umshololo is trying to clear his name. Ngoba vele at the end of the day, guys, I mean, we know he wasn't involved in Senzo Meyiwa's case. Lo muntu benza izinto ezisabisayo vele. But I mean, this one is not for him. He's just coming there to court just to sit and listen to his case Senzo Meyiwa, but he didn't analyze the guy. He doesn't know the other guys. I mean, guys, like honestly, guys, it's a lot, eh?